Hi builders, welcome to the Messenger Instagram chatbot tool. My name is Jackie de Klerk. I am your success coach. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the growth tools. Now, it is important to remember that the growth tools is basically another method that you are going to use to actually get your flow out there, whether it's through a landing page, whether it is on Facebook, or even on your website itself. So let's go and click on growth tools and we click create new. You'll see that there is quite a lot of different kinds, and we're going to go through all of them. So let's start with the landing page, and I'm just going to call this landing page. We're going to click OK, and then we're going to click on the pencil. And then this is the area or the canvas where you are going to see exactly what it is going to look like on. So we're going to write in here and says Builderall, the header text, description text. You can also choose as to what the size of the button must look like. You can make it extra large, and as well as the color. Maybe you want it white. We're just going to leave it as that. You can change the background color of the page as well. And then the content type, you can make use of an image, YouTube, or as well as video hosting. So if you do video hosting, you can also use our own platform, uploading your video to our video hosting tool, and then you can just add it right in there and click save. So if I go and click on it again now to show you what it looks like, it's going to come up in this area and it's going to show you exactly the way that it will be on the platform itself. So I'm going to click save, and let's go to the next one, which is the Messenger reference URL. And I'm just going to do Messenger. And again, we're going to click on edit. Which flow do we want to start? It's going to be the launch, and then you can choose to either make use of a tag, add or remove a tag, or even let's say you've created a tag already and you want to add the ebook tag. You're going to click save. So that URL has been created. Let's go to the next one, chat for website. We're going to do that, and then we're going to do exactly the same methods. We're going to have the tool name, the flow that we want to get started. If you want there to be a delay, you can choose a delay. The information that you are going to use, in this case, it's just going to say, how can we help you? Please take note of the properties that's the same for all bots on all your pages. The alignment, the greeting that needs to be displayed, your icon. You can change the colors, the look and feel, and how we display as well. We can just say chat, and we're going to click save. Let's go to the other one, add JSO in file. This is for Facebook specifically. I'm going to click right there, and we're going to choose the file, and you're going to see that it's created the text right here. You're going to copy this, and then you're going to go back to Facebook. You will see that when you do your ads, it's going to ask you for this information. So we're going to click save. I'm going to go on checkbox plugin. We're going to click OK, enter. Your plugin size, how big you want it. I'm just going to go with large. Do I want to allow login and allow center? And the type of bot, and we're going to click save. Click on the next one, which is a top bar. We're going to click OK. Click in this area, and this is the message, what it would look like. So let's go through the initial state. You can allow to hide it or not. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Subscribe to Messenger. You can see it's the color of the wording that's going to be there, the background color that you have right there, how big you want it, large, standard, the color of the message button, when to show the bar. You can see immediately, exit, persistent, seconds, past, whichever you want to choose, and where you want to show it, and when must it be closed. Once you are done with that, all you really need to go do is go to submit action area. You're going to adjust it here exactly like you did previously with messages, the way that you want it. Going to go to other, and you're going to choose the flow. Once you're done, you're going to click save. Now you can see that these are truly what it says, growth tools. You've got multiple ways to promote your flow outside there that is connected to your bot. And all you really need to do is grab the code right here. You can see we've got a direct URL as well as a scan code. And if you do that for each of any one of them, you'll see they've got different options. This one, messenger link, is working only when get started button is enabled. Now this messenger button is all to do with the getting started button when we are going to the broadcasting area, or sorry, the automation. If you enable this button, then when you go to the growth tools, that is when the messenger button is going to work for you. So it's really important to remember that. Otherwise, your things is not going to work the way it should. So all of them has got different ways that you're going to copy. And that is basically all there is to the growth tools. I urge you to go watch all the other tutorials because it's really important that you have a complete understanding of the Messenger Instagram tool. That's all from me, and I'll see you on another. Bye.